So I just arrived to DC. I just walked 1 block away from the bus station. I'm going to the metro to wait for my cousin Christian. So this video is only for my baby Aliona. Nobody else gonna watch, only her. So baby, if you're watching this, hopefully you see me walking. Getting closer to the metro station. Over there, that corner. Yeah, this is DC. It's okay. What is it called? Gallery P Chinatown Station. Okay. So let's get in. It is very cold. Oh. I didn't expect that.